Did you know Genghis Khan's greatest enemy was once his sworn blood brother? In the windswept plains of Mongolia, two young boys named Temujin and Jamuka performed the sacred Anda ceremony. They exchanged arrows, shared blood, and swore eternal brotherhood under the endless sky. For years they hunted together, fought side by side, and dreamed of uniting the scattered Mongol tribes. But power changes everything. As they grew older, their visions clashed. Jamuka believed in ancient bloodlines and noble birth. Temujin thought leadership should be earned through merit and loyalty. The brotherhood shattered like ice in spring. At the Battle of the Yonnan River in 1187, former blood brothers faced each other across a field of war. Jamuka's forces crushed Temujin's army. The future Genghis Khan fled in defeat. But this betrayal taught him the most important lesson of his life. True loyalty cannot be sworn in ceremonies. It must be earned through actions. That defeat forged the greatest conqueror in history.